Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to sign in Direct Express account on PC. Direct Express is a prepaid debit card program. It can be accessed through only US citizens. To sign in to Direct Express account on PC, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.usdirectexpress.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Direct Express. Now on the downside here you can see two debit cards. Now you need to select the debit card that matches the starting number of your own debit card. For that, click on the given circle, then click on proceed to log in. With this, you'll be taken to login page. Now here you can see login box on the right side of the website. To log in, you need to first enter your user ID on the given box. If you don't remember your user ID, click on Forgot User ID option. Then you need to enter your correct password of your account. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. With this, if you want your credentials to be remembered, click on Remember Me box. After this, if you don't have an account, then you can click on Register for an account option. After entering your user ID and password, click on Login option. With this, you will be able to log into your Direct Express account. This is how we can log into Direct Express account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.